Hello children, welcome back. So I guess you might have understood the first module of the chapter cell. And I know you might be curious to know more about the depth of the cell. That means what does the cell contain? But before that, we will see a small experiment and find out what are the cells in the onion looks like. For that, we need a specimen. Now, what is a specimen? Specimen is an individual animal, plant, piece or mineral used as an example for the species that you are going to use in the laboratory. It may be anything. It may be plant, animal, or even a piece of rock which will act as a substitute of the other members of the same species. So our species for the experiment to see the onion cells is a piece of onion, and the material requires are a piece of onion bulb, glass slide, cover slip, compound microscope, a swatch glass, a filter paper, mounting slide, and the cover slip, along with a needle, dropper, a stain, maybe a safranin, glycerine, and a few drops of water. Now before we start our experiment, let me tell you we are going to use compound microscope for observation. Now let us prepare our specimen, that is the onion bulb. Take the onion bulb and cut into quarters. Take one of the freshly scaled leaves and remove it from that bulb. Snap the leaf backward and expose the epidermis. Pull the thin layer of the epidermis and place it on the slide and cover it with 2 to 3 drops of distilled water. Now drop a drop of stain over one end of the slide. This process of putting the specimen on the slide is known as mounting. Mounting is basically of two types. Dry mount, which is the simplest kind of mounting where object is merely placed on the slide and is viewed under the microscope. For example, pollen, feathers, hairs, nails, etc. Whereas the second kind of mounting, that is a wet mount, is the not the simplest one, but it is suspended in liquid such as oil and water, and then it is essential to put a cover slip at an angle and lower it on the specimen for avoid creating air bubbles, so that a proper view of the specimen is viewed. Okay, now let us mount. After mounting the specimen, let us place a drop of water at the center of the slide, as if any stain is there on the specimen, it will be cleared. Then with the help of the forceps, take the peel of the onion and place it on the other slide so that you get a clean surface, and add a small amount of glycerine or water over the specimen. Now using a mounting needle, lower the cover slip onto the onion skin slowly and at an angle so as to avoid the trapping of air bubbles in it. And then place it over the microscope and view it under very high magnification. It may be 25x or 10x. If the stain is blue or methylene blue, it will be appearing blue, and if it is a safranin, it will appear as pink. Now under the microscope, you will observe the rectangular kind of cells with a deep pink colored dot, which is the nucleus, and the slide jelly-like or watery substance is the cytoplasm. Now this shows that different organisms or different part of the plants or animals contains various shape and size of the cells. So children, in this video we have only studied about how to mount the or how to prepare the slide and to observe it under the microscope.